guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm happy that you are here with me today. Into this video, as you can see, I'm gonna be cleaning my refrigerator. It's in need of a little bit cleanup in there, so I'm gonna be doing that. And also I'm excited because I'm going to be testing the pink stuff that everybody's talking about. So it's gonna be the first time me using it. I have used the Scrub Mommy before and I love it, but I never have used the pink stuff, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys.
True survivor, standing tall amongst the brave. It's time to rise up.
So here, guys, I'm gonna be wiping out my refrigerator with this Element 9 or 9 Element. I don't know how you call it, but it's a multi-purpose cleaner. I usually clean my refrigerator with my solution that I make with water and vinegar, but I saw this in store like a couple of weeks ago, so I grabbed it. It's vinegar and water, basically. It's all natural, so I wanted to try it. So yep, that's what I'm gonna be wiping up the refrigerator today.
Lighting a fire for the night, let it burn, keep inside, keep your spirit up at night. There's a miracle alive. All the pain inside your bones, all the cold inside your home. You were never all alone, all alone. Restless all the time, feel myself decline, lose myself till my heartbeat stops. But we fall, we rain, we rise again. The fall, the pain, we try so hard to feel sane. It's all in our brains, always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless.
So here I'm gonna be spraying my drawer, but it wasn't that bad. Those drawer organizers work very good. I hardly never had to scrub that area. So yeah, I got those a couple of months ago, and I've been loving it. I like it because it keeps everything organized. Not everything is like everywhere in there. So yeah, so now I'm gonna be taking out this glass from there. Yeah, I didn't show it to you guys, but between the glass and the holder, it was dirty in there, so that's why I took it out. And now I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna then making sure that everything is clean.
Always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless with the lights.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me love.
So here I'm just washing the containers that I use to organize my refrigerator. They are working so good. I bought those a couple of months ago, and then I think I got one of them last week as well. But yeah, it's helpful, and it's, I don't know, I just like them.
This is
All we got.
show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love.
This is all we
got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love, show me light, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. 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 Show me love. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I.
So here I'm restocking the refrigerator again, put everything back and put all the condiments back in there. So yeah, I'm loving this refrigerator. We got this a couple of, I'd say 2 or 3 years ago. And I wanted a 2-door refrigerator like this one, and like my kitchen is not that big. You know, my house is a ranch style house, so it's not that big, and I was like, no, I want to get a 2-door one. So we found this one. Is from LG, and I like it. It's very functional for me. It has a lot of space. So yeah, so it has a water dispenser in the front, and then it does make ice in the bottom. So here guys, you saw me earlier, I put that in water and vinegar, and now I'm gonna cut them out. You didn't saw me that I was doing that as fast, because I like to let them there sit for a while and then drain them. And now you see me cut them up. I like it to do this every time, make it easier for me to make lunches for Jonah at school. Okay guys, so this is the after of me cleaning the refrigerator. Everything looks clean and organized. So here you guys are, so you can see it. And I have an empty shelf, so that's good. So yeah, if you guys are wondering where I got the egg containers, I got those at Ross. And then that with the yogurt I got at Marshall when I went with my daughter last week. And then let's see, oh yes, and then this little guy here that turns around for the condiments, I got that, I think as well at Ross as well. I got that at Ross, yes. And then this here for the drawer, I also like this right here, this little drawer organizers, I got that as at Ross as well. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be moving to clean my oven. As you can see, it is in need of a cleanup, so I'm gonna be doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna be also taking out the racks, and I'm gonna show you how they look.
A single drip could make it all come down.
so as you see, I'm gonna clean my oven right now, and I was planning to use Easy Off. I bought this like I think like 2 months ago, because I'm like, I'm gonna clean the oven. I had to clean the oven and I never did. But today I wanted it to, you know, I was thinking my oven needs a cleanup. It's very disgusting. So but the other day I went to the store and I said, you know what, let me try the Scrub Mommy, and then the pink stuff. Everybody's raving about it in social media. So I'm gonna say, you know what, let me try it, let me see if it works. So yeah, I'm gonna try it today, and let's see what's all the rave about.
Down in May, waking up in my cold sweat, feel like I'm deep in debt without you. I'm sitting up in my lonely bed.
Okay guys, so now it's gonna be scrubbing. I did it, and oh my goodness, I like this product. I didn't have to work hard like I usually would do if I would have used Easy Off. So yeah, you'll see how nice and clean it looks. Okay guys, so this is after I clean the door. I'm very impressed. I really love this product. It didn't take me long. I went and cleaned it up, and then I saw little spots still of grease, but it came out easily. Wow, I don't know what to say. I like this product. I would give it a 10. Basically, it's very good. Now I'm gonna go and do the inside of my oven. So inside of my oven, I did have to work a little bit longer. And then in my kitchen, you know, I have a little space, so it was a little bit uncomfortable to me. So I had to be moving around and trying to get the little corners of the oven. So yeah, it was a workout. When I finished, I was like, yeah, that was a workout for me. But it did a great job. I'm a person, I don't like, comment below in the comments if you like to clean your oven, because I sure don't. I always, like, if I know how to clean my oven, I will leave it. It's back of my head, but I'm like, no. But yeah, but with this product, it's gonna be easy for me to come back, you know, at least once a month and clean it up, because it is so easy to clean with this.
Show me life, show me love. This is all we got.
Okay guys, as you can see, I just finished cleaning the oven inside. I am very impressed with this product. I'm gonna keep buying it. It's very good. I just needed, you know, I did work a little bit longer here than the door, just because the inside has, like, you know, those dots. I don't know how you call them. I just call them, like, you know, burnt oil there from, you know, the food that we cook and everything inside the oven. But it's much better than the beginning. And yeah, I'm very impressed. I love this product. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be trying the pink stuff in my stovetop today as well. It did a great job in the oven, so I expect to do the same. I am loving this product. I usually clean with my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner, but I mean, this is working great. I will buy it, you know, if it making my life easier to clean faster, I'm all for it. And because, you know, nobody likes to clean. I mean, I love a clean house, and that's why I always clean and making sure that everything is in its proper, you know, way. But yeah, it's a definitely yes for me, guys.
Days won't come. Show me life.
Oh my goodness, you guys, it left my stove top very nice and clean, and it's so shiny. You cannot see it because of the glare, but it did. And overall, happy with this product. I would definitely buy it again. You're also gonna see I'm gonna be now cleaning the oven wax with Brillo or Brillo. That's how I do it. You know, that's how I call it. It's Brillo. To take out the stuck on burn food from the rack. But it's easy for me that way. I soak it out with dishwasher pods in the tub, and then I just take it out and clean them. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I put everything together, guys. But overall, I'm very happy. You can see it. I'm here, but this will be the end of my video, guys. If you did like it, please leave a comment and also subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that notification button so you can be notified for my next video. And I see you next time, guys. Bye.
Show me love, show me light, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love, this is all we got. Show me light, show me love, this is all we got.